Alright guys, so you are ready to do some digital task cards. Let's take a quick look at exactly how to use this file. Here are your instructions. Number one, read them through. And then when you're ready, you're going to come down to the bottom. You're going to see a tab that says task cards. Click on that and it's going to take you to where you need to be. You can use this drop-down menu here to choose which task card. The orange ones are a little bit easier. The yellow are a little bit harder and the green are the more challenging. So you can do these in any order. Click on the number, the task card's going to pop up. In the corresponding cell, so this is number 1, the cell for number 1, you're going to type your answer. So smallest to largest. You're going to see it's turned green. That means you've got the right answer, and you're going to see over here that you now have 1 out of 30 correct. Choose a new card. So which is larger, millimeters or centimeters? If you get it wrong, it's going to turn red. You can just delete and try again. And that is it. When you're done, check with your teacher how you want them submitted.